Welcome back to this tutorial. In this lesson, we will explore one of the most fundamental questions: what is a computer? If you are new to the digital world, don't worry, this is the perfect place to start. A computer is an electronic device that processes data to perform tasks. Think of it as a tool that helps you communicate, calculate, create, and connect with the world. There are many types of computers. For example, we have the desktop for offices and homes. We have the laptops for portability. We have tablet for touch-based interactions, and we even have smartphones that fit into your pocket. Computers have two main parts. We have the hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer, like for example, we have the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, mouse, and lots more. Why? The software includes the programs and operating systems that tells the hardware what exactly to do. Computers follow a basic cycle: input, process, and output. Let's give an example. When you type on a keyboard, that's the input. The computer processes it and then display the text on the screen, which of course that is the output. Computers are incredibly versatile, so you can use them for sending emails, browsing the internet, learning new skills, watching movies, playing games, accessing social medias, and even managing your work. Well, this is just the basic of what a computer is. So we are still going to go into details about the computer. So now that you know the basics of what a computer is, in the next lesson we will dive deeper into how to set up one and use one. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so keep learning and exploring in this tutorial.